6 plus 12 times 12 divided by 6. 6 plus 12 gives us 18, and 18 times 12 is 216. Now, 216 divided by 6 is 36, but this answer is incorrect. The reason is that there is a fixed set of rules in math called the order of operations, commonly known as PEMDAS in some countries or BODMAS in some other countries, but they mean the same thing. In this rule, the letters P or B stand for parentheses or brackets, E or O stands for exponents or order, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to solve for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So first, 12 times 12 gives us 144. Here, we get 6 plus 144 over 6. 6 plus 144 gives us 150. Finally, 150 over 6 gives us 25. And this is our final answer to this problem.